Hey there, it's Hannah with WTI. If you love having soft, perfect butter, and also maybe you really love mushrooms, this butter crock is the perfect thing for you.
This butter crock is so beautiful. The company Fungi Fun has made it so gorgeous. I am completely obsessed with the colors, with the design, but also as a butter crock, it works so perfectly. This is my first time having a butter crock, and I was so excited because we are always a little bit annoyed at the butter situation in the house. We always want nice soft butter, and I have been wanting to dip my toe into the butter crock world. And let me just say, I am stunned. I was not disappointed. This thing works so perfectly. And not only is it the perfect butter crock, but it is absolutely gorgeous.
I have been wanting a butter crock for so long, and I'm so glad that this is the one that I have with these beautiful mushrooms. I couldn't recommend it more, and that's my point of view.